reports have been suggesting that L&T is planning a 2,000 to 2,500 crore rupees IPO for its infrastructure arm L&T IDPL. Well, the company is looking to raise funds and reduce the debts on its books. Of course, we have IDPL, which has a total road portfolio of nearly 18 projects, to which almost 8 are under development stage. So in order to fund that growth plan, they are looking at an IPO. Of course, when contacted, L&T CFO clearly mentioned that they are yet to take a final call on the growth as well as the funding strategy for this particular unit. So let's see how the stock reacts here. Also, auto stocks will be in focus, and starting with Mahindra and Mahindra. And owing to the demand slowdown that we are seeing in the automotive segment, the auto major has decided to cut production for up to 6 days in various plants across India. Well, also its subsidiary Mahindra Vehicles, which has its Chakan unit, that also will be following a production cut. So almost a big announcement as far as production cut is concerned from Mahindra and Mahindra. 6 days is a big thing according to most of the auto analysts I spoke to. So let's see how the stock reacts here. Also, we have Hero MotoCorp, India's largest two-wheeler company, which declared its monthly numbers. 4.87 lakh units is what they posted as the monthly volumes for the month of July, up by nearly 0.6% on a year-on-year basis, slightly better than what the analysts were anticipating. Also, Ashok Leyland came out with its monthly numbers. Sales came in at a little over 8,700 units, down by nearly 10% on a year-on-year basis. Of course, the sales mix was also deteriorating, wherein we saw the contribution more coming in from the light commercial vehicle, which will put some kind of margin pressure for Ashok Leyland going forward as well. And finally, we have Power Grid Corporation of India, which will be in focus. They have declared their earnings, profits up 20%, total income up 23% on a year-on-year basis. But the catch here is that they have the board has approved of FPO of nearly 15% to the extent of fresh equity. The markets were anticipating a 5% dilution, but the company has gone ahead and approved a FPO of 15% equity, which clearly means that they are looking to dilute nearly 80 crore shares, which means they are looking to raise close to 7,000 crores at the current market price. So let's see how the stock reacts after the company has announced significant dilution plans to fund its expansion plans.